and Fatima is so good in it. You have to see it. What a beautiful scene.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
A
क्या बात
scene where you let go of that and you choose yourself. For
was the
me, it's a
director?
win.
Sonali
I
Bose.
love
Yeah,
it.
very good.
So let's give another round
Oh,
of
thank you.
वाह
You know, I've been very lucky that I've gotten to play very special roles. क्योंकि जितनी बार मैं कोई कैरेक्टर प्ले करती हूँ ना, मैंने कुछ ना कुछ सीखा है. चाहे वो दंगल में रेसलिंग सीख ली, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें लर्न की है हर फिल्म में. तो आई एम वेरी लकी दैट आई हैव गॉटन टू प्ले सच कैरेक्टर्स.
Absolutely. Sana, coming back to the reel that I showed for Indino and emoting, how do you make it authentic? That's the question. What does it take for an actor to make it authentic?
I'm still discovering that, if I'm being honest with you.
Sure.
But I think that sometimes the brain gets in the way, is what I'll say. I think it's very important to just trust yourself, which is something that on a daily level, like, I sometimes struggle with. There are moments where you just have to let it go and just trust yourself, you know. I think that's the only thing I know is important, and that's what I try to find, not just in acting, but in any decision making of life.
honest,
You know,
very
you
honest.
just have to, क्योंकि एक्चुअली कुछ राइट या रॉन्ग नहीं होता.
बिल्कुल.
आपको बस जो आपने डिसाइड किया उससे आपको बस कन्विंस्ड होना है, और वो बहुत ज़रूरी होती है किसी भी चीज़ को लेके.
चलिए एक इंटरेस्टिंग सीन देखते हैं अतरंगी रेस से. Come on, let's play Sara scene.
Very good.
Interesting, yeah, to create a scene like this, because it is, you're trying to be emotional, but it turns out to be funny and all of that. Tell us about it. Creating scenes like this. I'm sure you have here also.
No, here too there are many. But I think, like I said actually earlier, it's about letting go. It's in this scene though, I mean, I was very spoiled. I was working with Dhanush. So honestly, like, you know, I just had to listen to him. You know, people say this all the time, but like, when you're working with people like that, it's so much easier because you just actually have to just be present there and listen.
Sure.
And I think that's again what it is, without judging yourself. It's not about how you're looking or how you have to, you know, there's no, just letting go is very, very important, and surrendering to that moment and living as honestly as you can there. Here, if I have to talk about the scene, it was only listening to Dhanush and reacting to what Dhanush was saying, and not, like, there's some weird expressions and all that are happening, you know, that I'm giving, he's giving and all, but it's nothing. I think the less mechanical it is and the more you let it flow, the easier it is. Less of the brain and more of the heart.
Fun. This is so much fun, this scene is. It's such an interesting scene for the actor as well. So, I mean, I'm going to, you know, we're all Dada's fans. So I have to show one of my favorite films ka ek scene, because I want Dada to tell us about it. And then I'm going to ask a few more fun questions to everybody and then come to you all.
So special.
The magic of Anurag Basu. I wish I had more scenes to play, but you've been, from the film I would have, because I'm sure you've created such scenes here as well. But obviously, अब हमें theatre में ही देखना पड़ेगा. But you'll have to tell me, creating the silences in romances, which you are so good at.
Yeah.
वो बिना कुछ कहे ही जो आप बातें कहला देते हो ना, तो I think उसमें बहुत एक जादू सा है. You'll have to explain that to us.
I don't know how to explain.
See, I realized it one day when I was actually doing gangster screening. I remember very clearly. I was sitting in the trial room and Bhatt साहब had kept a trial screening. और मैं बाहर बैठ के ना देख रहा था अभी कि हाँ 10 मिनट हो गया, आधा घंटा हो गया, इंटरवल होने वाला है, अभी लोग निकलेंगे बाहर. तो फिर मुझे लगा मैं बाहर बैठ के तो पूरी फिल्म समझ रहा हूँ, मतलब सुन के ही समझ रहा हूँ. तो इट्स लाइक ए रेडियो प्ले. एंड ऑल्दो देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ साइलेंसेस एंड म्यूजिक एंड सॉन्ग, बट मैंने बोला यार फिर हम लोग क्या, आई एम नॉट यूजिंग माई मीडिया एज मच, इट्स लाइक रेडियो प्ले. तो मैं वहाँ से एक्चुअली आई हैव स्टार्टेड आफ्टर दैट जितनी भी फिल्में आई हैं तो साइलेंसेस एंड नॉट डिपेंडिंग सो मच ऑन स्पोकन वर्ड्स एंड यू नो यूजिंग द मीडियम टू कन्वे स्टोरी. सो धीरे धीरे वो बढ़ता गया एंड विच इन एवरी सिनेमा. एंड बर्फी में तो हद कर दी हमने. सो आई थिंक इट वॉज ऑल full of silences.
Extracting that from the actors, yeah, I think वो एक कला है.
It's nice, they were so beautiful both of them. और ये पहला सीन हम कर रहे थे.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, मैंने बोला कि यार ये इससे शुरू करते हैं, टोन सेट हो जाएगा. फिर मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था कि यार ये नहीं होगा ना ठीक, पीसी हम लोग वापस करेंगे, बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस सीन. और ये जो उंगली पकड़ने का, आई वांट टू से दिस केम फ्रॉम ईशाना एक्चुअली. दैट इट वाज द केस, शी स्लीप लाइक दिस.
How sweet.
ऑल द रात को आके ऐसे ही पकड़े सोती थी.
Beautiful.